The Samsung washing machine UE error code signifies an imbalanced machine load, which occurs when the contents within the washing machine drum are not evenly distributed, leading to excessive vibrations. This error is often caused by an uneven load, where the laundry inside the machine drum is not evenly distributed, creating a weight imbalance. Heavy items can contribute to this imbalance, and during spin cycles, the machine's vibrations can activate safety sensors, triggering the error code to prevent damage. Additionally, uneven machine placement and overloading the machine beyond its recommended weight capacity can also lead to this error. To fix the issue, redistributing the laundry is a viable solution. Pause or stop the cycle, remove oversized items, and distribute them evenly among other clothes. Gently moving clothes around can create a better distribution in the machine drum, and placing small items in laundry or mesh bags can prevent them from getting caught and causing an imbalance. Ensuring the washing machine is positioned on a flat surface, such as a hard, non-slip surface like tile, concrete, or wood, can also help. Adjusting the machine's leveling legs can compensate for minor floor irregularities. To prevent overloading, check the user manual or machine label for the maximum weight limit. Estimate laundry weight, and pack the drum tightly, leaving space at the top for proper tumbling and distribution. If the error persists, it is best to contact a certified appliance repair technician for a thorough diagnosis and resolution.